Hey, we're going to be removing a rear right door handle on a 2016 Mercedes GLA250. So we're going to be using a T20 Torx. We're going to be going through here. You're going to need a long one. You're just going to have to feel for it. Once you get it in place, you can screw it. Once you loosen it up, just start prying it up. And the corner piece comes out first. Okay. There's nothing really to it. Then you lift and pull back towards the back of the car, and the handle will come off. And there's the keyless sensor. We just use a flathead to pry that up. It's kind of hard to get to it, so just be careful with that.